In this video, we will be replacing the battery from a 2012 Scion key fob. This is a very popular key design with various similar year Toyota models. The tools that are needed for this task are a regular size flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a coin. We will also need a regular CR2016 battery. I have included a link below for the battery. The first step is to open the outer case. Just put the screwdriver in the slot and gently twist it. Slowly pry open the case. There is one more case that we have to open to get to the battery. Using the smaller screwdriver, lift the inner case out. Now, to open the inner case, there is a small note here. Use coin to open. So using a coin, we will give it a twist and open the case. Using the smaller screwdriver, lift out the battery. There are more instructions here. Positive side up, and the battery is CR2016. Next, we put a fresh battery. Squeeze the two halves to close the inner case. There is only one orientation to put this back in. Finally, we put the two halves back and gently squeeze them in place. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.